Biryani is something that we all enjoy, and today's recipe is very delicious and quick to make chicken dum biryani. So let's get started and check out the recipe. In a bowl, I'm adding 500 grams of long grain basmati rice. Soak this with water and let it rest for about 45 minutes. Till then, we'll prepare the chicken. In a heating kadai or dekchi with a flat and thick base, pour 1 cup of vegetable oil. To this, I'm adding black cardamom, some pieces of cloves, cinnamon, and 3 bay leaves. Fry them until the smell of these dried herbs come out. Now add a cup of thinly chopped onions and fry them until they turn brown in color. Now separate some fried onions that we use for toppings. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and give it a quick mix. Transfer the chickens. After the chickens are 50% cooked, add a cup of tomato paste. Salt as per taste. A teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of biryani masala, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Here I am adding 2 green chilies. You can add as many you like. Don't forget to add this masala more to the chicken because we need them for rice later. Add water so that masala won't get stick to the base and cook the chickens for 10 minutes in medium flame. Now the chickens are cooked, let it cool. Add black cardamom, some cloves, cinnamon, salt as per taste, kewra jal, and a bay leaf. After the water is boiled, transfer the soaked rice and cook the rice until it is 80% cooked. After the chicken is cooled, add a cup of yogurt and give it a mix. Now turn on the flame Add handful of coriander leaves, some mint leaves, and a tablespoon of kewra jal. And mix them. I'm separating some chickens and gravy. Keep them aside. Now layer the chickens with some rice. Sprinkle some garam masala. The chicken gravy. Some coriander leaves. And layer again with the rice. Sprinkle some garam masala again. And coriander leaves. Kewra jal. Garnish with some fried onions. I'm adding some food color. You can skip this by adding some saffron in raw milk. Here comes the last and most important part. Use a heavy bottom vessel or place the vessel in a tawa beneath and cook dum biryani for 20 minutes in low flame. There you go. This is the absolutely delicious chicken dum biryani, which is a must try. You can enjoy this with some curry or onion raita.